Hello kids, let's paint ABCD. A B C D E F G
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
H
with me?
I J K L
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now let's paint orange color, purple color, yellow color, green color, pink color, brown color and parrot green color. Green color A. A for alligator. A for alligator. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for drum. D for drum. E. E for egg. E for egg. F. F for frog. F for frog. G. G for gun. G for gun. H for horse. H for horse. I for ink. I for ink. J. J for juice. J for juice. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for moon. M for moon. and for nose, and for nose. O for orange, O for orange.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't
P.
you sing with me?
P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, for queen.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
R, R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S, S for sunflower, S for sunflower. T, T for tomato, T for tomato. U, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V, V for van, V for van. W, W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X, X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y, Y for yo-yo, Y for yo-yo. Z, Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good, guys. You have to practice this every day and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.